is Martha here, and today we have a different kind of video, and it's actually a requested video on how to fold fitted sheets. Here are my sheets right here, and I have a king size bed, so I'm gonna do a demonstration with a king size sheet. Now, it doesn't really make a difference what size sheets they are, it's basically the same method. And I am not an expert on folding sheets by any means, but I'm just going to show you the way that I fold my fitted sheets because my subscriber and good friend asked me to make a video on that. So I actually was having a conversation with him today, and he made a comment that he is under the impression that I like to do laundry. So I corrected him and I said I absolutely do not like to do laundry. As a matter of fact, it's one of my chores that I really don't like to do because it's once you wash the laundry, you just have to sit there and fold the laundry. And I'm more the kind of person where I'd rather vacuum or mop the floor because it's like you're moving around. I think he made that comment because he knows that I do laundry every day. So I guess it's like, how could you hate or not like to do something and then do it every day? Well, the reason that I do it every day is because I don't like to do it. So I really enjoy having a clean bed with clean sheets. So I go ahead and change my sheets every week. And I actually like to spray my sheets after I put the clean sheets on with a nice little spray which is really light. And so I do laundry every day because I don't like to do laundry. So I'd rather do a bit of laundry, 1 or 2 loads every day, than to just not do laundry for a whole week and then have to spend 1 or 2 days doing laundry. That would be a lot worse for me. So the whole moral is that when I don't like to do something that I know I should be doing, I make it a point to do it and keep up with it. Okay, so that's enough of a rant. So I'm going to go ahead now and show you how it is that I fold my fitted sheets. And I like to do them on my bed because it gives me a large area to work in. And like I said, I have a king size bed and these are king size sheets. So I'm going to go ahead, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spread the sheets out on the bed, leaving the right side, the pretty side, against the bed. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and straighten them out, flatten them out as much as possible. And as you can probably see, these sheets have elastic all around them. And a lot of fitted sheets only have elastic in the 4 corners, and then it doesn't have elastic here. So this makes it a little bit more difficult to fold the sheets that have elastic all around because it gives you a bit of a harder time flattening it out, but it's still easy. So, all right. So once I have it pretty much all opened up, I go ahead and I find one of the seams, okay? And I'm gonna start on this end. So I find one of the seams and I flip it over, and once I find the seam, I put my index finger pointing inside, okay? And I go ahead and I find the other seam. And here it is. And I go ahead and put my pointer finger in the 2 seams. Okay, so they're right there. And once I've done that, I just put it down. Okay, now I put my finger in the other seam on the other side of the sheet. I find the seam, it's right here, and I put my pointy finger in the point of the seam in the pocket. And then I find the other seam on the other side of it. And there it is. So I put my pointy finger with both of them. Okay, so now I have the 2 pockets together. All right. The two seams are one inside the other. Okay. So this is what you should have right now. And so the two pockets are one inside the other. Okay. And now I'm going to grab the two ends and I'm going to flip it over on top of the other two ends. Okay. And it's very important to just press it out with your hands. Okay. So let me move it down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. And try to match it up as much as possible. And that's what I have so far. And now I'm going to go ahead and fold it again. One more time. Fold it over once. And I'm going to fold it over again. And that's it. And that's how I fold my fitted sheets. It's really easy. And I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. And I want to thank you for watching. And I want to thank you for having subscribed. And if you just happen to come across my channel, I hope that you will consider subscribing. Have a great day. I'll see you soon.